Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M5 with paper. Start by organizing materials and clearing a flat workspace. Cut basic chassis shapes from cardstock using measured templates and score fold lines lightly so parts align precisely when glued. Use measured templates to build a rigid chassis first, then attach body panels one by one for a clean fit. Work slowly when bending curves and reinforce stress points with extra cardstock strips, allowing glue to dry fully between stages for a durable paper model. Focus on small features like vents, grill slats, and brake calipers using fine scissors or an X-Acto blade. Layer paint carefully for smooth coverage, then attach wheels and finish with decals or hand-painted badges to create a convincing BMW M5 paper replica.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.